Hey everyone, this is Lindy from Love Create Celebrate, and I am excited today to be showing you guys a tour of our home. I'm showing you the real life home tour, and by real life I mean I did tidy it up, but what I want to show you is what it looks like to live in constant renovations. We have boxes lying around, we have renovation materials, and we have plenty of rooms that have not been touched yet. So I'm going to take you on a tour throughout the house, let you see the rooms that we have done as well as the rooms that we haven't. We'll start our tour in our beautiful front entry. This is the first room you see when you walk into the house, and that beautiful green wall has a huge visual impact and I love it. One thing that we have had to add for the winter is a little shoe rack for all of our extra boots and shoes, but hopefully one day when we build a mudroom, we won't need that anymore. Our girls actually do use the hooks that we made for them beside the door, and I love that they always put their stuff away. And of course, all of the adult winter things are stored in here as well. Leaving our entry, you move straight into the main downstairs hallway, and on both sides of this hallway are unfinished rooms. The first room on the left-hand side is my office, which doesn't even have a door and is honestly a huge chaotic mess. I've had so many packages delivered and I've not put anything away properly because nothing has a proper home. And this room desperately needs some help one day. The room on the other side of the entry is our utility room. We mostly keep this door shut unless we're doing laundry, but there is nothing pretty or finished about this space. This space could use a major facelift one day, but right now it's pretty raw with studs showing and a lot of crowded items. Beside the utility room is our bathroom. And even though we finished this renovation in the fall, we still haven't added the trim to the outside of the door. This bathroom is one of the few spaces in the house that is completely finished and speaks for itself. We exit the bathroom to our big barn doors, and if you've ever wondered what's hiding behind these doors, I'm about to show you. The first door desperately needs some sorting out, but it's stuffed full of my decor and staging stuff, and the second door is actually our pantry. And then the last door in our hallway is the entrance to our playroom. This room was clean in the morning, but after 2 hours of playing, my children have managed to completely destroy it. But let's be honest, this is what this room usually looks like, and I'm just happy to have a space to contain the mess. One fun feature of this space is this tiny closet that goes straight into the living room that we hope to make into a play place one day. And now we move into the more open part of our floor plan, which is our kitchen, dining room, and living room. We made a few changes to this kitchen as part of a weekend renovation that we did, and although this is not our forever kitchen, we're pretty happy with it for the moment. The one thing we're hoping to change soon, if we can, is hiding our water cooler and our garbage can. Our kitchen flows nicely into our dining room, which we haven't really done anything with yet. Most people living through renos know that there are often boxes of things lying around, and we are no exception to that. We have boxes of flooring sitting in our dining room right now, waiting to replace these orange floors. And then we flow into our living room, where the only big change left to make is the flooring. And if you're wondering, yes, we do have a random IKEA cupboard in the middle of the floor. We bought it on sale and thought it might work somewhere, but it doesn't quite work there, so we're coming up with a new plan for that piece. And then there's one wall off to the side here that is temporarily a computer desk, but I have big plans for that spot. When you get upstairs, you reach this cute little reading nook area. It doesn't quite match our style or taste quite yet, but it is a nice spot to sit and look out over the dining room and living room. Just down the hall from that is a tiny bathroom that is definitely going to need a renovation. It is the only bathroom upstairs, so right now we're all sharing one sink. Then there are only 2 bedrooms in the house, one of which we share with our baby boy, and the other one our daughters share. My daughters actually love making their beds, so they made their beds themselves before I came in. Our kids mostly sleep and read in this room, so we really don't keep many toys up here. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe below. Let me know in the comments which room you think we should tackle next in our renovations. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.